Hello and welcome to my Camera State YouTube channel. This might be the shortest iPhone 13 Pro review ever, but honestly the only reason why I upgraded from my iPhone 11 Pro to the iPhone 13 Pro are the improved cameras. Everything else feels basically the same, despite all the marketing claims. Yes, the new iPhone 13 Pro comes in the brand new Sierra Blue color and it feels slightly more heavy than the iPhone 11 Pro, but regarding the 120Hz display or new processor, I can't really tell the difference. But as you might know, I shoot all my videos with my iPhone, and if you're interested in how the new iPhone 13 Pro cameras hold up against the iPhone 11 Pro, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm planning to release one more music video I shot with the iPhone 11 Pro, but all other forthcoming videos will be filmed with the iPhone 13 Pro. Last but not least, I want to share a short clip with you that I filmed with the iPhone 13 Pro on a cloudy day in Hamburg, and the footage looks definitely less noisy than lowlight clips I filmed with my iPhone 11 Pro in the past. So stay tuned and see you next time.